deep cleaning my apartment and gonna make it look brand spanking new. She's a little dusty and dirty right now, but we are gonna fix that all up, do all of the cleaning. And you guys are gonna come along with me because I don't love cleaning. First, we're starting with a mini closet clean out. Every season, I like to go through my clothes just a little bit and find things to get rid of. And when I say get rid of, I mean sell on my Depop, #1. I also donate to the Goodwill and give to friends and family. First, we're starting out with the mini closet clean out. Welcome to my closet. She's beautiful and perfect, and we're gonna go through her and hopefully find some stuff to get rid of. The first thing I already know that I'm going to be selling on my Depop is this bikini that I've never even worn. I bought this from Strawberry Milk Mob and it's just too big on me. It's literally never been worn, still has tags. If anyone wants to buy this brand new bikini, feel free. Let's go through the clothes now. Okay, I like all of these hanging clothes too much. I'm not getting rid of any of them. Let's go through these drawers. They don't look very organized because they're not, but in my head they are. I'm parting with this shirt. I've had this shirt for over a year now and have not found a way to wear it simply because I don't own any undergarment that will look good with it. It still has the tags. I love the shirt. I think it'd be perfect for a country concert, but I literally don't know what to wear under. Can't just free the boobies in this shirt. That doesn't work for me. This will be sold on my Depop because it's so freaking cute. I'm also going to be donating these white linen pants. I got them in a thrift bundle from a really sweet subscriber. I posted a video of it on my TikTok if you want to check it out, and she made me a custom thrift bundle and it was amazing, but these pants are unfortunately too small for me. Your girl has a little bit of junk in the trunk. My butt doesn't fit into these freaking pants and I really wish it would because they're so cute. They're literally the perfect beach pant. They have this really stretchy waistband. I hope somebody wonderful will love these pants and they will go to a good home because if they fit me, I would keep them in a heartbeat. I'm also gonna donate or sell this. I bought this FSU jersey and I tried to wear it last time I was in Tallahassee for the spring game, but it just doesn't fit me the way I like. It's reversible and this would be such a good game day outfit. I already have 4 things. I made progress. What else do we get? What else? I just came up with 2 more bottoms. First, we have these super comfy shorts that I bought at Bass Pro Shop. Perfect little mini skirt. I only got to wear it once. Unfortunately, I lost weight and it doesn't fit me now, which I'm so sad because I wish I wore it more when it fit, but it's just too big on me now. It's so freaking cute. It's like this cargo mini skirt. This is also listed on my Depop. It's this jean mini dress. It's too big on me, unfortunately. I really wanted to wear it to a country concert this summer because it's adorable. Now let's go through my athletic gym clothes because I am always going through these. Oh my gosh, the Aerie crossover leggings, y'all, these were such an era for me. This was like peak COVID or right after COVID. Everyone wore these cross leggings from Aerie. I'm selling or donating or doing something with them. I have this Kulani Kini set that is so cute, but your girl cannot do strapless. I try so hard. I love this swimsuit. It's the cutest print ever, so I think this will probably go to a friend. I really want someone to love this bikini because it's so perfect. It has seashells literally on the side. And the one time I wore it, I was just spilling everywhere. This just isn't my style anymore, so this is gonna go. These are too big on me. Had this bikini top for literally ever. Y'all are gonna think I'm insane. I've never worn this before. Mimi, Papa, my grandparents, if you're watching this, close your eyes. This is the top. I've never worn this. I got sent it. Look how many freaking strings there are. First off, I would never wear this just because that isn't covering anything and I wouldn't feel comfortable in it. There's 8 strings. How do you even tie this little piece of fabric? This will also be donated. I do have a load of clean laundry in here that we're gonna put away real quick. I just bought these shorts at Walmart, Lululemon dupes, because I think they were 12 bucks. I've been running like every single day and sometimes you just don't want to wear like tight shorts when you run, so I like that they have built-ins and they're still loose and they have a pocket so I could put my car key in it. For 12 bucks you can't beat it. I got a size small, but I would highly recommend. These are one of the pairs of pants that I got in my thrift bundle. Reddish orange Free People pants. They're so cute. She thrifted Free People. That's the craziest thing I've ever heard of. Break. It's so good. I need Poppy to sponsor me because I have talked about them in my last like 6 YouTube videos or something crazy. I love Poppy. I put so many people onto this in my real life. It's so good. Totally off topic, but Alani just launched this new flavor called Pink Slush, and this could not be any more me. Like, are you kidding? And look, they sent a shirt. Stop being tired. Are you kidding me? And pink sparkles. This is so adorable. Alani, thank you as always. I love, and I can't wait to try this flavor. But first, we got dishes to do. They're clean. They just need to be put away. And y'all, I bought so much more silverware. I kept running out of silverware, so now I have enough for more than one person. Look at all this silverware. Things like this should not make me happy. This is how you know you're getting old. When silverware makes you happy. I love it. are the best sponge. I will never use anything else. In my amazing apartment complex that I love so much, they have people come get the trash for us like 5 times a week. I just take my trash bag in this trash can that they provide and set it outside, and they literally come and get it. It's the best, most luxury thing ever. In all my other apartments, I would have to lug all of my recycling out, and so I would just let it build up forever and ever. I just feel so cool that someone will come get it for me. Yes. So those are all like the basic chores that I really needed to get done, but the deep cleaning is gonna happen soon. I gotta scrub-a-dub-dub everything. It is day 2. My camera dirty. Wipe, wipe, wipe. It is day 2 of our deep cleaning party. And by party, I mean you and me are the only ones invited. Your girl needs to get down to business. First, we have this beautiful big mirror from IKEA that has traveled with me to many, many apartments. We are going to spray her down with some Windex. Why is it not spraying? How do you make it spray? How do you do this? It's not spraying. Oh, now it's spilling. Holy hunchback. I'm Googling how to open Windex.
So long side clean
I got it. Wow, that was an epic blonde moment. I feel so dumb. Ugh. Oh gosh, this feels like a hazard. I think that looks pretty good. Oh yeah, I know how to clean. And my bedroom mirror is the last mirror. This one's small and easy. First order of business is clearing everything off of here. Question of the day, do you think that I can put these in the dishwasher? This spray bottle doesn't work either, so we just dump it. Scrub that in. Perfectly shiny and clean. Can you put placemats in the dishwasher? It says they do not recommend putting it through the dishwasher. How to clean kitchen placemats.
According to WikiHow, fill your sink with warm water and add a few drops of soap. Put the placemats in the water to soak for 1 to 2 minutes.
We're gonna do that. Let me just get that out the dishwasher really quick. I'm going to fill this up with water. Grab a little dish soap. It says to let them soak and then scrub them down. My pretty flowers. I know the water from the sink is going in the back, but my things are soaking. Ignore. Now we are cleaning this table. It gets dusty real quick. You're going to remove all of my decor, which by the way, everyone always asks me. It's on Amazon, linked to my storefront, literally all of this stuff. And some of the books were thrifted. And this is the book I'm currently reading, My Dark Vanessa. Y'all can see there's like a thin layer of dust and dirt on it. It just needs to come off. Grabbing my broken cleaner. Good as new. The bottom one gets even dustier. I don't know how. We are back in the dreaded bathroom. Time to wipe down this counter and then do the shower. I actually cleaned the toilet a few days ago, so I don't have to do that, which is nice. Cleaning the toilet sucks. Bathroom and then floors, and then I think we're almost done, hopefully. Let's remove all my stuff. I think once this runs out, I'm gonna make my own cleaner and just get a reusable bottle because I know you can do that so easily. Let me know if you guys think that's a good idea or if you have any good recipes for making your own cleaner. I think it's like vinegar, some kind of soap, like there's like a recipe. And I normally don't use paper towels this much, I promise, but seriously, it's the one thing that I feel like helps me clean everything good. The reusable cloths that I have don't pick up the dirt. I think I need to invest in new ones because they're microfiber, and for some reason, they just do not pick up the nasties. I'm gonna up my cleaning game soon, I promise. Don't forget the handles. I feel like a lot of people forget the handles. Think about how many people and how many times are touching it, and they somehow always have like those wet spots on it. I'm almost out. Everything is shiny and sparkly and good as new. It's shower time. I gotta take my socks off. Really what I'm gonna do here is wipe down the walls and the floor and then like the handle. If you're wondering what that is, that's eucalyptus, and I keep it in my shower because it makes it smell really good, fresh, and like a spa. And I have specifically bathroom cleaner with bleach. And bleach stinks, but we need it. Let's scrub it up. Cleaning. This is so gross. Now we're gonna turn on the water and let it rinse everything that we just scrubbed with bleach. Ooh, look at this hair. It's the same day, but I just showered and changed because I was sweaty from going on a run earlier. It's time to do the floors. I have this vacuum that I'm borrowing because I don't have my own vacuum, but it's cordless. I also just painted my nails. Aren't they cute? It's like a pretty pink color. I have this at-home gel kit and I did them myself. Cordless, look. Changed 6 different times in this video, but it's in a pony now. I just finished doing my bedroom and the closet, and now we move on to the bathroom. This is the mat that I bought to put on my patio that ended up being way too freaking small, and instead of returning it, I just use it as a bath mat now. This one's from Target. I get a lot of questions about it. And then that one's from Amazon. I have one fitted sheet that fits my bed, and I just rewash it every single week. So I thought it's time to get some new ones. Just took it out the wash because I want it to be fresh and clean and smell good before I put it on my bed. Why is this hard? There it is. That is it for this deep cleaning with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. My apartment feels so fresh and new. And hopefully in the next video you see from me, these frames will be put up because they've just been sitting there for like a month. All right, subscribe and bye guys.